Hello children, welcome to today's topic. Today's lesson topic, data collection and mathematics for primary 1. Data collection. Data collection. What is data collection? Data collection is the arrangement of numbers or objects in a group for easy identification. It's an arrangement of objects or numbers in a group for easy identification. What do I mean by that? Sometimes in your school, data can be collected by or maybe they'll say boys this way, girls this way. It's called collection of like terms. When you group boys and girls in different space, it's called data collection. Now, how can we collect data? We do collect data for easy identification. Example, assuming we have something like this. In a big table, let me make it bigger. In a big table like this, I have 1, 3, 5, 4, 2, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 6, 9, 10, 5, 6, 7, 4, 3, 1, 2, 8, 9, 8, 10, and 7. What is this? I can say that this is scores of pupils in a class in primary 1. The table above shows the scores of pupils in primary 1. The table above shows the scores of pupils in primary 1, and we are about to collect their like terms, that is their data. You bring another table like this. This will be the score. 7 and 8. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You write it. 6. The last one, 9 and 10. That is intelligent student. 9 and 10. Let's count. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Write it. Now, how will you know whether you are sure whether this thing is correct? You can count all the scores and add all these ones. Check whether 2 of them will rhyme. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. There is 27 scores. Let's add this one and know whether we are correct. Children, I hope you know how to add. If you want to add, you can count it like this. This one is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We stood. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Join them together. That is addition. You join them by marking it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 is 27. What do we have here? 27. That means we are correct. And with this, you can do data collection. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you the next time. Bye.